Excited for your visit? We are too. This video will help you prepare for your SoHo, Little Italy, and Chinatown Walking Tour. First, check the forecast and dress for the weather. New York City can be hot, cold, windy, and rainy. It's also important to wear comfortable shoes for walking. Be sure to stay hydrated too, even in winter. Please arrive no less than 15 minutes before the meeting time on your reservation. Tours leave on time. The meeting point is Spring Street and 6th Avenue in SoHo Square Park. It's easy to reach from these subway stations. The C or E train to Spring Street, that's the blue line, or the 1 train to Canal Street, that's the red line. Spring Street stop is diagonally across the street from the meeting point. The Canal Street stop is about a 5-minute walk. Our guides are easy to spot with their orange Experience First signs. No need to worry about printing anything. Just show up and tell the guide your name and you're all set. You're on the list. Exploring the unique neighborhoods of SoHo, Little Italy, and Chinatown is an incredible experience, and we can't wait to share it with you. Thanks for choosing to spend some of your time in New York City with Experience First.